Hello, I'm Capacitor, the energy storage expert in electronic circuits. My main job is to store electrical energy and release it whenever a circuit needs extra power. I charge up by collecting electricity, then discharge it quickly to help devices work smoothly. I also help reduce voltage fluctuations, remove unwanted noise from signals, and keep power supplies stable. In many circuits, I work together with resistors to create timing effects and delays. Some motors even use me to help them start properly. I can block direct current while allowing alternating current signals to pass, which makes me very useful in audio and communication systems. You can find me inside phone chargers, TVs, computers, speakers, motor controllers, and many other electronic devices. Even though I may look small, I play a very important role in making electronics stable, efficient, and reliable.